We are here with Janet Knight, who's a dear friend from Melbourne and Victoria, and she's also an incredibly talented artist. What did you think of Colour in Your Life, and where are you now, honey?
Well, Colour in Your Life has been extremely a major bonus in my life. I have had the privilege of doing 2 shows for you guys, and it's been a wonderful ride. Pretty much it has exposed what I do here in my studio to the rest of the world, and I'm just so totally grateful for the exposure that Colour in Your Life has done for me. It's certainly broadened my horizons as an artist, and now I'm being contacted by people all over the world to run workshops in different countries, which is so totally exciting.
Fantastic. Well done. Well done.
Thank you so much, Graeme.